Hi guys, today we're going to learn about habitat, species, population, community, and ecosystem. Let's learn. What is habitat? Habitat is home for organisms. Species is a group of organisms that have common characteristics and can reproduce with one another. Example, the male dog and the bitch have common characteristics. They can reproduce with one another. The male dog and the female cow have different characteristics. They cannot reproduce with one another. Population is a group of organisms with the same species. Same species live together in same habitat. Community is a few population of different organisms that live together in one habitat. Look guys, look! Example of different populations. Cow population and grass population form a community. Zebra population together with deer population form a community. Fish populations with a coral populations form a community. Different populations living together in one habitat form a community. Look guys, look! A few communities live together in one habitat. A few communities live together in one habitat form an ecosystem. Remember guys, ecosystem is a few communities live together in one habitat form an ecosystem. And all of them will interact with non-living components such as water, air, and soil. Look guys, look! In ecosystem, you can see the biodiversity. Keywords for ecosystem is a few communities that live together have interaction with non-living components. Non-living components such as air, rock, water, and soil. Organisms are interdependent on each other for survival, and this will create a balanced ecosystem. Interdependence means rely on, in need of each other, and interact with each other. If the forest is destroyed, it will affect other organisms like a domino effect. Deforestation disturbs the balance of ecosystem, cause extinction of animals, food shortage, affects amount of oxygen and loss of biodiversity. Now we will learn about what factors determine the distributions of organisms. Distribution of organisms influenced by temperature, light, and humidity. Look guys, look! There is more animal distribution at mild temperature. And there is no organism at hot and extreme temperature. Distributions of organisms is more underground and at the dark place. And little distributions of animals on brighter place. Look guys, look! There is many organisms in loamy wet soil. And there is no organism at dry land with no humidity. In the desert, camels have hump as an adaptation in place with no water. They also have thick lips and tongues as an adaptation eating the prickly desert plant. In the tundra, animals have thick layer of fur and has thick layer of fat as an adaptation to help them survive in extreme cold climate. In tropical plants, most of animals have thin layer of fur and thin layer of fat. This is an adaptation to humid and moderate temperature. Alright guys, thanks to the creator for the biodiversity provided. Because of the biodiversity, we also appreciate and respect the differences of religion and races between us. I value the time that you spend for learning. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and do the Google Forms. Bye-bye.